Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create the sleek hair combo and dress to impress without adjustment. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose this bangs and then you're going to make it this color. But actually for the color, you can color it according to your preference. And then I'm going to go to this feminine category and choose this hairstyles. You can color it the same. I'm going to make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection, and then we're going to change the toggle to long. Alright, and then I'm going to select the next hair, this one, and then I'm going to make it this color, the same color, and then I'm going to go to the straight category and choose this hair. We're going to apply the same color. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go to the curly hair and I'm going to add this hair, and we're going to choose only bangs and I'm going to make it the same color. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to the feminine category and oops, wait guys, the time is running out, so let's go back to the hairstyle selection and then you can choose this hair. Okay, and then I'm going to choose only bangs and you're going to color it with this color. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the Updo category and I'm going to choose this hair and then color it with this color, the same color. Okay, finally you will have the sleek hair combo. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.